Alright, so Glenwood Canyon e-bike rental has commenced. We came to this place called Canyon Bikes and we have rented our e-bikes. Here they are. Neither one of us has ever ridden an e-bike before, so it should be interesting, but it seems very, very easy. And we're gonna go about 16 miles into the canyon and back. Stay tuned. The trail begins just past the Yampa Hot Springs Vapor Caves. The first part is right next to the interstate, and it's a bit intense. But then you get to cross this pedestrian bridge, and it drops you right into the canyon where nature awaits. The e-bikes are really fun because it helps you pedal, and we Florida people, we can't handle these tough inclines, so it helps you pedal up the inclines, and it makes you go really fast too. It's not like a moped where it does all the work for you, but it just helps you. At times the bike path is right next to the interstate, but here the interstate is engineered to blend in with the canyon environment. Rafting and kayaking down the Colorado River is a super popular pastime. We haven't done it yet, but we hope to do it soon. So one of the nicest areas on the hike is the Hanging Lakes area. I highly recommend you bring a picnic and hang out here for a while and enjoy the scenery. There's a great hike called the Hanging Lakes Hike, but you need reservations and a timed entry permit for that. All right, so we've officially made it to the east side of the trail in a town called Dostero, but I don't see the town. But anyway, we've come out of the canyon and it's more like open mountains, and we're getting ready to head back the other direction towards the west and towards Glenwood Springs. The e-bikes are working out great. Makes pedaling a breeze. It just helps you pedal, and it helps as much as you want it to help. Like if you're going up a hill, you can crank it up and it makes it a breeze. So we're not even tired. Or at least I'm not. All right, here we go. So everything has to go through the canyon. Cars, the interstate, trucks, trains, the Colorado River, and the bike path. Okay, so that's about it for this video. If you're ever in Glenwood Springs, I highly recommend doing this bike trip. It's one of the highlights of our experience here. The e-bikes were about $60, and again, you can rent them from a place called Canyon Bikes. Really nice people there. We rented the bikes for the whole day, but we didn't get started till around 2. I'd say it took us about 4.5 hours to do the whole trip. One important thing to be aware of is that they shut the bike trail down if there's more than a 24% chance of rain. So be sure and check the weather the day of your trip.